Hi everyone, this is Akshay Shramanka, certified public accountant and CEO of Shea CPA. We specialize helping founders and tech companies with their tax compliance and accounting. Today I thought I'd record a short video because I'm getting a lot of questions about folks who haven't seen their stimulus checks. So if you remember, the IRS is going to be giving out $1,200 to individuals and $2,400 to married filing jointly. For single filers, if your income was less than 75,000, you will receive that. For married filing joint, if your income is less than 150K. So if you come, first thing to check, what you need to do is you've got to come to the irs.gov website here, and you've got to click on Get My Payment. When you click on Get My Payment, you see that there's a link here to Get My Payment. So you click on that link. You'll see this warning sign here, so you would hit OK. You need to enter in your social security number, your date of birth, your address, and your zip code, and hit continue. Once you hit continue, it's going to give you the status of your stimulus check. And if it's, just today, I believe they've updated it either today or yesterday. Today's April 26th, so that more statuses are appearing, because previously a lot of my clients were seeing error messages. I was seeing error messages from my clients. So I believe it's a little better now. And what you may see in the next screen, this is something, if you do need to enter in your bank account information, there's going to be a screen where you can enter it. This is what it's going to look like. It's going to ask for your adjusted gross income from your 1040. So if I bring up the 1040 here, on the 2019 tax return, the adjusted gross income is on line 8B. If you haven't filed 2018 yet, let's just bring up the if you haven't filed 2019 yet, we'll bring up 2018. On 2018, the adjusted gross income line is right here on line 7. So that's what you're going to be putting in the adjusted gross income box. Next, you're going to indicate whether on that previously filed return, whether you received a refund or if you owed money. And you'll put the amount that you received as a refund or the amount that you owed, depending on which one it was. Next, it's going to ask you for your routing and account number, and whether it's a checking or savings, where they would like the money to direct deposit to. So this was mainly for folks who, the IRS didn't have your direct deposit information. Many of our clients, they end up owing money at the end of the year instead of having a refund because they're business owners. So, very often the IRS is not going to have a direct deposit information because there was never a direct deposit to begin with. It was always a payment. So, for those of you who have owed money to the IRS in the past, chances are they don't have your information to direct deposit, so you'll have to enter it in here. If for any reason you still are getting error messages, what the IRS is supposed to be doing is when you file your 2020 tax return in 2021, you're supposed to see the credit or what your stimulus payment should have been offset against your taxes then. And the other question I'm also getting is some of our clients' incomes have gone up. So they're no longer less than 75K, they may be higher, and they're wondering if they're receiving too much money in the form of a stimulus payment. And the answer there is no, they're not gonna, even if they pay you based on your 2018 return or your income in 2018, just because your income in 2019 is going to be higher, it doesn't mean that you have to return the stimulus payment back. So so this, that's the big advantage of this. So I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy. And if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us or just leave a comment. Thank you.